Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today a thing that amazed me the most, I bought a pen drive uh, two, 2 years ago, and I used to think that this housing contains PCB and all the controller, USB controller and board, but it turns out it was all on the flash itself. NAND flash itself, as you can see. Isn't it amazing, ladies and gentlemen? The entire USB controller on a NAND chip. For scale, this is how small it is as compared to on a palm. And the whole thing was just inside the USB port itself, as you can see. This is a SanDisk Flair 64GB.